Hey guys, what's up? So I'm back with one more video, and this time I'm back with one makeup tutorial video which is natural makeup look and your go-to look. So let's get started. As you can see, I have no makeup on. I have a clear skin, no makeup. So first let's take a moisturizer cream. You can take any moisturizer cream. I am using moisturizer cream by Vaseline. It suits my skin. First, it's very necessary to prep your skin well so your makeup can last for good time. I've done applying my moisturizer. Now take your primer and apply to your skin. I'm taking foundation illuminating primer makeup base by NNBB, something like that. Right now I have this one only and it's in water base. You can use any primer you want, and if you skip applying primer then your foundation won't be very flawless to your skin. So just apply all these steps. Well, to be honest, I'm not a makeup artist or pro in makeup, so I just know thoda makeup, so don't judge. But yeah, I'll soon be a pro in this. I've done applying primer to my face and moisturizer and prepped my skin well. Now I'm gonna take my foundation, which is shade number 220 in Maybelline Fit Me foundation. Natural beige is my shade. Take your foundation shade according to you because everyone has their different skin tones. Applied little bit foundation over my hand like this, and then we'll apply. I love this technique of applying foundation and it is easily blendable. Now take your beauty blender or sponge, whatever you call it, and just dab your foundation to the skin like this. Sponge for me is very easy to use and I don't feel comfortable with makeup brushes right now. I use this for blending. But if you don't have your beauty blender, you can use your brush, it's up to you, or you can even use your hand for blending. Many people say that कि beauty blender बहुत ज़्यादा product ले लेता है आपका, but I don't think so. It actually removes extra product from my skin and it gives me a flawless look, so it works for me. And for foundation, I love Maybelline foundations because it gives really good look over face and it's actually very easy to use and it's very lightweight on your skin and it doesn't feel that you have applied any foundation. I'm done applying foundation. As you can see, I've got really great matte look and it's glowy look after applying your primer and moisturizing your face. Then we'll move forward with concealer. I don't really need to conceal my eyes, but थोड़ा बहुत तो चलता है. I'm using Kiss Beauty concealer palette and here we go with concealer brush and apply like this again in dots way. I mean, this is my personal technique to apply concealer. And if you notice, बहुत सारे लोग यहाँ मेकअप जो भी करते हैं वो कंसीलर पूरा यहाँ तक आप लोग भर देते हो, तो वो चीज़ अवॉइड करो क्योंकि वो चीक्स बोन और चीक्स को बहुत हैवी लुक दे देता है. एंड व्हेन यू अप्लाई लाइक दिस, आप कहीं भी जहाँ अच्छी लाइटिंग में आप जब फ़ोटो खिंचाएंगे या फिर आप ऐसे ग्लोई जगहों पर जाएंगे तो जो लाइट का डायरेक्शन है वो एकदम फॉल होके आएगा आपके फेस पे और वो इस technique से आएगा. So just see if you can use this. And then take your fluffy brush and dab your product like this. And we need to keep our hand very light when applying makeup. एंड जो भी एक्सेस पार्ट बचा होगा आपके ब्रश में उसको आप ऐसे स्लाइड कर दो धीरे से, तो वो भी कंप्लीट एंड क्लियर लुक हो जाएगा कंसीलर का. सी द डिफरेंस बिटवीन दीज टू आईज व्हेन आई हैव अप्लाइड माई कंसीलर इन दिस टेक्निक. सो लाइट कैसे फॉल बैक हो रही है, पूरे फेस पे ग्लो आ रहा है. वेल, आई विल मेंशन all products in description box below, so in case if you miss something. Done with concealing part. Now we'll move to eyeshadow. As you all know, I am doing some natural makeup look today. तो मैं light shades या nude shades ही use करूँगी. I'm using Morphe palette. We'll be using this shade. It's kind of brownish and nude shade. When you dip your brush into an eyeshadow, just make sure you dust off the excess part like this, so you won't get any fall-ons on your face. Then start applying your eyeshadow in this direction. Just move your brush in this way only and you will create your eye shape very easily. Then from outer corners you can slightly round your brush like this way. ओके, हमको ज़्यादा आई शेडो को फैलाना नहीं है क्योंकि वो फिर बहुत हैवी लुक हो जाएगा और हम लोग नेचुरल लुक कर रहे हैं. Okay, I'm done with my eyes now. Now let's quickly do our eyebrows. And for eyebrow you need a brush like this. For eyebrow, now I'm taking dark brown shade with black. I'm mixing two of them, dusting off the excess. And don't worry if you spread the excess, we can clear with our concealer brush. And then we can dab it with the help of sponge. As you all know, we are doing natural look. हम लोग इसमें ना लाइनर लगाएंगे ना काजल लगाएंगे. Take a fluffy brush again like this and just clear your face like this way. जो भी आपका आई शेडो का पार्ट गिरा होगा फेस पे वो क्लियर हो जाएगा. नेचुरल लुक में हम लोग ज़्यादा ना कॉन्टोरिंग करते हैं ना ज़्यादा फेस पाउडरिंग करते हैं. But if you want to do your face powdering, then you can still do it. Take a loose powder and do it like this under your eyes. Now we'll go for blush. For blush I'm using this palette. It's called Romantic Beauty. And for natural look I'm gonna use some peaches shade which matches my eyeshadow. So this. Then same technique, dust off the excess. You need to smile. ब्लश को थोड़ा सा यहाँ भी अप्लाई कर सकते हैं क्योंकि नेचुरल लुक है तो हमको ग्लो ग्लो करना है. थोड़ा सा नोज पर. And we're done with blush. Now I'm gonna take my highlighter. You can use any highlighter you want. I'm using Instant Glow. In highlighter I'm using this whitish shimmer. If you want you can highlight your blush area totally for glowing look. थोड़ा सा इधर फोरहेड पे हम ज़रा सा ही लगाएंगे इधर हाइलाइटर। अगर ज़्यादा लगेंगे तो अगर हमें थोड़ी सी भी पिंपल्स होते हैं या कुछ भी वहाँ पे स्कार्स होते हैं ना, तो वो हाईलाइट करके और दिखने लगते हैं। सो इसलिए हमें यहाँ पे ज़्यादा नहीं लगाना है। कुछ लोग क्या करते हैं, हाइलाइटर को इनर कॉर्नर्स पे भी लगाते हैं, तो वो थोड़ा डिफाइन लुक करता है, बट आई वोंट डू इट राइट नाउ बिकॉज वो अच्छा नहीं लगेगा। नाउ आई एम टेकिंग माई आई लैश कर्लर and I'll just quickly curl my lashes. Now I'm gonna take my mascara, which is from Glam 21. Make sure you wiggle your mascara like this way, तो वो जो भी एक्स्ट्रा पार्ट रहेगा वो ब्रश में नहीं आएगा। सेम तरीके से विगल करके हम लैशेस पे भी उसी टेक्निक में लगाएंगे। Wiggle and up. I'm using Ads Beauty Nude shade. Now you can see I'm done with my natural makeup look. Thanks for watching, guys. It was lovely to shoot this. Hope you all try this look soon and we'll meet in next video. अच्छा, मैं एक चीज़ तो भूल ही गई। लाइक करो, कमेंट करो, शेयर करो, सब्सक्राइब करो और ये लुक ट्राई करो. Do drop in comments and let me know if you want to see more looks like these. Stay tuned. Bye.